Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on this tire. It's actually my tire, so maybe I would learn something from this. But found out it was flat, but we drove it a little ways before we found out. So just want to kind of give you a warning. As soon as you know your tire is flat, make sure you pull over and either get your spare tire on it or tow truck or whatever it is, because now this tire, for one, it's on the outside edge, which is supposed to be not repairable anyways. But if we look inside here, we see that the tire is actually damaged from running flat. So that's what it looks like if you run and drive on a flat tire. So you also get all that rubber is from all of that area. So it went all the way around the inside of this tire, and that's what happens. So just wanted to give you a little sneak peek on what it looks like on the inside of a tire if you run it flat and you drive on it for a ways.